Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy any stock. First, it's crucial to understand your personal investment goals and how much risk you are comfortable taking. Next, you'll need to open a brokerage account with a reputable financial institution. This account will be where you hold your investments. Finally, fund your new account with at least $100 to begin your investing journey. These initial steps are fundamental for a successful start in the stock market. Once your account is ready, the next step is researching which stocks to buy. Thoroughly research companies by reviewing their financial statements and staying updated with relevant news. Consider a company's growth potential and analyze broader industry trends to make informed decisions. Remember, it is wise to diversify your investment portfolio across different market sectors. This strategy helps to mitigate risk and can lead to more stable long-term returns for your investments. With your research complete, it's time to place your order. You'll typically choose between two main order types: a market order, which buys at the current best available price, or a limit order, which buys at a specific price or better. Next, specify the exact number of shares you wish to acquire. Before finalizing, always review all your order details carefully to ensure accuracy. This step is critical to avoid any unintended purchases or errors in your investment. After purchasing your stocks, the journey continues with ongoing management. Regularly monitor your stock performance and stay informed about broader market conditions. As your financial goals evolve, it's important to rebalance your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your current objectives. For many investors, considering a long-term investing approach often leads to potentially greater returns over time. Patience and consistent oversight are key to successful stock ownership.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.